The TONGATE Z Fold 5 case wraps the phone in a rigid full-body shell with reinforced corners that feels ready to handle serious drops in daily abuse. Its integrated privacy-tempered glass keeps the inner display protected from scratches and prying eyes, while the sliding cover shields the camera lenses when not in use. A combined hinge guard and S Pen slot protects the folding spine and gives the stylus a secure home, so it is far less likely to go missing. The low-profile kickstand folds flat into the back, yet props the phone comfortably for video watching or video calls in both partially folded and fully open positions. For people who carry their phone on the job or outdoors, the rotating and removable belt clip makes it easy to keep the fold accessible without bulking up pockets. Despite the rugged construction and many integrated features, the case remains well fitted to the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and preserves the device's premium feel and functionality.